Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we are diving into something incredibly exciting for the cybersecurity community. We all know how powerful AI has become, but using cloud-based AI like ChatGPT for sensitive penetration testing or bug bounty research can be a major privacy risk. You really don't want to be sending your payload ideas, vulnerability data, or client information to a public server. That is exactly where Drana-Infinity comes in. This is a locally hosted advanced AI assistant designed specifically for ethical hacking, bug bounty research, and cybersecurity analysis. Developed by IST-089, this tool allows you to analyze vulnerabilities and automate your recon workflow completely offline. Because it runs right on your own machine, your data stays yours. Nothing leaves your network. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Drana-Infinity on Kali Linux step by step. Whether you have a high-end gaming rig or a basic laptop, I'll show you how to configure it to run smoothly by choosing the right model size. So let's get into it. Before we fire up the terminal, let's talk about what you need. First, obviously, you need a system running Linux. I'll be using Kali Linux for this demonstration since it's the gold standard for us pen testers, but this will generally work on most Linux distributions like Ubuntu or Parrot OS. Now, Drana-Infinity relies on Ollama to run these large language models locally. This means your hardware matters, specifically your RAM. The tool supports 4 different model sizes, and you need to pick the one that fits your system specs. Here is the breakdown. If you're running on just 4 GB of RAM, you'll want to use the 0.5B, 0.5 billion parameter model. It's the lightest version and runs fast on older hardware. For standard 8 GB setups, the 1.5B model is your sweet spot. It offers better reasoning capabilities while still being gentle on your memory. If you have 16 GB of RAM, you should definitely go for the 3B model for higher accuracy. And finally, if you have more than 16 GB of RAM and a dedicated GPU, you can unleash the 7B model. This is the most powerful version for deep analysis. All right, let's get our hands dirty and start the installation. Open up your terminal. The first thing we need to do is download the tool itself. We're going to clone the repository directly from GitHub. I've put the link in the description below, but you can follow along by typing git clone followed by the URL https://github.com/ist089/dranainfinity.git. Go ahead and hit enter and let it grab the files. Once that download is complete, we need to move into the folder. Type cd Drana-Infinity. If you list the files here using the ls command, you'll see a requirements.txt file and a Python script named drana_infinity.py. That script is the core of the tool. Now, it is always best practice to run Python tools in a virtual environment so we don't mess up our system-wide libraries. Let's create one quickly by typing python3-m venv. Once that's created, activate it by typing source venv/bin/activate. You'll know it worked because you'll see the little venv tag appear in your terminal prompt. Now we're safe to install dependencies. With our environment active, let's install the required Python libraries. Type pip install -r requirements.txt and hit enter. This is going to fetch everything Drana needs to communicate with the AI backend and render the interface. While that installs, let's tackle the engine that powers this beast, Ollama. If you don't have Ollama installed on your Kali machine yet, you need to grab it. It's the backend that actually runs the AI models. You can head over to the official Ollama website or just run their standard install script in a new terminal tab. It's usually just a simple curl command. Once installed, verify it's working by typing Ollama ---- version. Okay, now we need to pull the brain for Drana-Infinity. Remember those RAM requirements I mentioned earlier? This is where you make your choice. Go to the Drana-Infinity download page, again, link in the description, and copy the Ollama pull command that matches your RAM. For this video, I'll assume we're using a standard 8 GB machine, so I'm going to pull the 1.5B model. Paste that command into your terminal. Ollama pull followed by the model name. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so let it finish completely. We're almost there. We have the code, the dependencies, and the model. Now we just need to connect the dots. First, ensure the Ollama backend is running. In a separate terminal, just type Ollama serve. If it says it's already running, you're good to go. Keep that running in the background. Now, go back to your Drana-Infinity folder where we activated our virtual environment. It's time to launch the tool. Type python3 drana_infinity.py and smash that enter button. Boom! You should see a message saying the server is running, and it will give you a local URL, usually localhost port 5000. Open up Firefox and paste that link, and welcome to Drana-Infinity. You can now chat with your local AI. Since this is running on your hardware, there's zero latency from a cloud server once the model is loaded, and absolutely zero data leaving your network. So that is how you install and set up Drana-Infinity on Kali Linux. It's a powerful addition to your toolkit. Remember to use this tool responsibly and ethically. It's here to help you learn and secure systems. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.